so much for supporting my small business in Japan. Guys, oh my god, I am very happy. I just got my very first order from my online shop from a stranger, from someone that I don't know, and she's from Australia. I'm not sure if I can say her name, but I'm gonna send her an email later, but I'm pretty sure I can, maybe, yeah. But yeah, I'm so happy. My heart skipped a little bit while I was driving when I saw her order, when I saw the email. And it is over $100 AUD. So, oh my god, I cannot believe it. I almost cannot believe it. So this is my goal actually, and it is, she bought makeup pouches and scrunchies from my fall collection. So it is very special to me. It is my first season collection. So thank you, Linda. Thank you so much for thank you so much for supporting my small business in Japan. And I'm so happy that we have connection because I love Australia. My partner is from Australia and I'm currently living in Japan, and you've got someone here in Japan too, and it's very close to where I live. So I'm happy to pack your orders tonight and then I'm gonna send them tomorrow. So yeah, I was actually crying a little bit while I was driving. I just arrived in Starbucks, but I cannot go yet. So thank you so much. I am beyond grateful and I am very thankful. Everything, the hard work that I did, it's so worth it. And I'm very excited for where my business goes. Hopefully we'll have a lot more customers on the website. So yeah, thank you. I'm gonna celebrate tonight. Yeah, I know it is like a small win, but this is the first step. Thank you so much, Linda. You just made my day. You're very special to me because you're my very first customer online, and it is from my website. So let's go to Starbucks now and take some photos. Hopefully it's not too busy so I can take photos, because I get really shy when it's full of people. But yeah, yay! Good morning, everybody. Today is packing day for our very first order from our online shop. This is for Linda. She got 2 makeup pouches, which is the Haruna makeup pouch. And she also got the Hina pink bow makeup pouch, but I actually made a mistake. I made a mistake with the inventory. I ran out of it, and I went to the local fabric store, but they also sold out, so I'm giving her this as a surprise. So these are for her granddaughters, and I'm so happy that they picked these themselves. She got the XXL purple and pink scrunchie, and she got 2 from our fall collection. This is Aurora. She got 2. I also love Aurora, so I got 1 for myself and I'm using it. And she got Scarlett. Yay! I'm so happy for Scarlett. She's gonna have her new owner. So I got those, and I'm gonna pack these today and send it. She is actually from Australia, but I think her family is living in Japan, so I'm gonna send this to Saitama Prefecture. What a very cute order. It's so cute. Like that. Sorry, I was filming vertically, but yeah, this is how it looks like. This is Haruna Yume. I'm also giving Linda freebies. This is the newest Konbini sticker pack. Hopefully her granddaughters love Konbini. And I'm also giving them magnetic bookmarks. So let me just put it like that. I think. Freebies, yay! Our order is backed, so I just have to call the driver and then he's gonna pick him. I'm here all day, so I can just call the driver. So it is ready, our package is ready, yay! Thank you so much, Linda, again. Thank you for placing your order and for supporting our small business in Japan. Thank you, hope your granddaughters will like it and the freebies too.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running round in my head, all or nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you.
finally, it took me quite a while because I'm doing a new thing, which is I'm putting a handle. I put a handle. We just cut some thread. This is the handle I was talking about. Cute. Cute. Oh. Ta-da. So you can hold it like this. Cute. So I put 2. It's so cute. The lines are aligned perfectly. Here is balanced. Maybe except for the height, but it's still so cute. Ta-da! I love it.
I've been deep down stuck in the gutter. I've been off the grid for days. I've been lost just trying to forget her, but I wake up and nothing's changed. I've been gone down lost in the letters, trying to get back into place. I've been losing ground in the lost and found, 'cause I let it slip away. Can't remember what I thought I wanted. Now it all has gone to waste, and this freedom just left me haunted, and all my reasons start to fade. 'Cause I thought it wasn't worth it. Yeah, I thought it was too late. I was so burned out trying to ease my mind like there was nothing left to